Kentico CMS, out-of-the-box usability and accessibility features. Kentico is an increasingly used content management platform, which allows enterprises to design and manage websites. The Kentico CMS plays a significant role in promoting user engagement and converting visitors onto a website. The platform is capable of helping end users with a minimum technical know-how or no knowledge of programming. Some of the cutting-edge privileges offered by a Kentico CMS allow us to configure exclusive web parts dynamically across the web pages, incorporate widgets that can be configured independently on each page, use edit option for multiple authors or editors on assigned pages, run macros to determine page interactions based on user logins. Few other features and traits that make Kentico stand out from the rest. Kentico Cloud capabilities. With the need to detach web page management and content management, Kentico rolled out the Kentico Cloud. Macros. Macros can be used to improve personalization and offer the most desired content to display in real time. APIs. With modern integration using key API features, a Kentico site can be integrated with platforms other than .NET, thereby enabling customization and scalability to a great extent. When the new version is released, the platform can be easily upgraded thanks to the well-implemented API update. Market readiness. Kentico can fulfill varying structure, navigation, and design needs of your website, and enable the delivery of a customized portal in a very short time frame. At the same time, the platform offers an immense level of control over the XHTML code and CSS styles for efficient rendition. Maintenance and support. We assign all of the troubleshooting tasks to in-house engineers who are supposed to have a deeper understanding of the product and can understand specific pain points that need to be addressed. Bugs are supposed to be fixed within 7 business days in the newly released Kentico version.